In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Linksys router using power bank. Start by checking the power requirements for your router, which you can typically find on a label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank matches the correct voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that is compatible with your setup. Insert the DC end into the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. Turn on the power bank and you'll notice the indicator lights on your router come on, showing that it's getting power. If the router isn't working properly, it could be because the power bank isn't providing enough power. In this case, you'll want to disable the 5G network. For a detailed guide on how to do that, be sure to check out my other video linked in the description. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.